This is Matt, and this will be a video on how to get a HubSpot free trial. So as you can see, I'm right here on this 14-day HubSpot free trial page. So first things first, if you click the link down below this video, in the video description, I have an affiliate link there. You will find yourself on this page or a very similar page, depending on how HubSpot change their pages over time. So you get some information here about what's involved in the free 14-day trial. They're currently running this 14-day trial. Sometimes that changes, sometimes it's more, sometimes it's less. Really depends what's going on with HubSpot when you actually watch this video. So from here, all you're going to do is click on Start Free Trial. And then you will enter your details here. So you can create your HubSpot account straight away from here. You're going to continue with Google. They've got a Microsoft option, and you can also sign up with Apple or do it old school via your email address. If you already have an account, you can sign in there. So that is how you will get your free, currently 14-day free trial with HubSpot. I encourage you to get the free trial. Click my link, check out the platform, see if HubSpot is for you. If it is, you can stick around. If it isn't, no worries, no risk. You can cancel that free trial at any time. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, drop the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.